I'll be showing you how to make veal capriccioso. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need a couple of veal cutlets, some sliced fontina cheese, dry white wine, flat leaf chopped Italian parsley, a little bit of butter, and some flour for dusting. In a heated sauté pan, I'm going to coat the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil. Coat the veal cutlets lightly with some flour and place in the pan. We're going to sauté these for a few minutes. After about a minute and they're browned on one side, we turn them, drain the excess oil, deglaze the pan with some white wine, add a little bit of butter and sauté. Because the veal is pounded so thin, it only takes a few minutes to complete the dish. We're going to place each cutlet onto the plate. Add the fontina cheese to the meat. It will melt on its own. Add the sauce and parsley. Buon appetito!